Well, hello again, and this is the 1100 P-Bandai Master Grade RGM-79 Powered GM from the Gundam series 0083. And yes, I really like this kit. I like the colors, I like the way it looks. It's a bit, yeah, it's nice. It's a very old kit. And it's basically this guy with a bunch of modified parts. Different chest, different backpack, and reinforced legs. So the story goes that the backpack is for the GP01, and this is the test machine for that backpack. Now, I believe in the series there are two of them. One was destroyed when Zeon attacked the base, and this guy was destroyed by a Dom Tropin trying to recapture the GPO-2. So yeah, like I said, I really like this one. It's a very old kit, so the articulation is not that good. But it's a very nice kit. It comes with a bullpup machine gun, which you can change. There's a longer barrel that goes with it, but I kept it like this. So the hands are the very old holding hands. You just stick it in there and he'll hold it just fine. It also comes with a hyper bazooka. I believe this bazooka was later used, if you follow the timeline in the UC, by the Gundam Mark II. So this particular bazooka comes from the Gundam Mark II model kit, I guess. You could see it because it has a hole for a peg, but you don't actually have a peg in the hand, so you just place it in the hand and just hope it doesn't fall out. So I didn't do too much to it. I didn't paint this one. I just put a few decals on and pen aligned it. But I think it looks good just the way it is. So yeah, that is my RGM powered GM or GM. Bye guys.